Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix no Wi-Fi network found in Windows 10 and L1 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you are also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, you have to go command prompt, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, then click on S to apply. In this, you type sfc space /scan now, then hit enter. It will take some time for 100%. After 100%, close this window. Right click on start menu, click on device manager. In this, double click on network adapters. Then select here Wi-Fi, right click on this, click on uninstall device. After clicking uninstall device, click on action, then click on scan for hardware changes. After doing this, close this window. Again right click on start menu, click on device manager, double click on network adapters. Select your network adapter, right click on this, click on properties, then select here power management. Here unselect first option, then click on OK. After doing all this method, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. That's it guys, so in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends, hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.